All right, this is the Big Game Pursuit seat installation process. I'm gonna do it on the table. All right. I just took a socket right here. Trip. I just made me a little knot. Here, I'll show you. You can use pretty much anything, but since it takes a 3/4 inch socket to assemble the big seat. All right, there's your knot. Ow. All right, back up. All right, you're gonna start with one right here. You see the whole seat?
I can see the whole thing.
All right. One. You're gonna skip every other one. So this is gonna be 2. Okay. Two. Gonna go to 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
Struggling there?
No. Maybe just slack. Here, get over here.
Okay. Ow.
Hit your head.
Yep.
You deserved it.
Oh.
Trying to make a quick video. All right. So you went right here, right? So you go back through here. Back through here. Here. Yeah, come on. Here. And then here. That's what it should look like. Without all the slack.
Okay.
Alright. Then when you get done,
Yep.
you're gonna come back through your hole that you made originally and pull it tight. Super tight, then make you another knot. And boom. You're done. That's what it should look like right there. Alright. Stop it.